walked up to this one. Me and Eric were both looking at it. And first spin. Was it the first spin?
Very first spin.
First spin magic is what they call that. Come on, baby. It's just... This is kind of similar to Dragon Link. There you go. It's 50 cents, but hey. We'll take it. There you go. Alright, one more. Fill it up. Come on, one more. Oh, that's alright. That's pretty good for a first spin. 50 cents.
Just the fact that it was the very first spin and a bonus, that was impressive.
Alright, grab your money.
You're back up well.
No, I meant grab the coins. You're supposed to grab the coins when they're flying. We like to do these quick hits, like we hit it and run, and it seems to work. We've been doing that. We had this voucher down to $15, and now we're back up again. It was just sheer luck.
Yeah. Okay. Good enough for me.
Oh. Good job, baby.